Hey friends, I've finally got my Zod Drift. So a little prologue on this. I've had this on pre-order since it went up and it's taken near on 2 months to get to me. So without any further ado, let's crack into it. Okay, the first thing, the box is minute. I mean, it's a handspan wide. Picture compared to another plane I've got in the build. As you see, it's minuscule, which is really cool. I love sailplanes and I love cruisers. This fits the bill, so really looking forward to this one. Boom with a vertical stabilizer. Okay, firstly, I think how this comes is a ray of sunshine, really. Everything bubble wrap packed, sealed individually. The motor, branded Sunny Sky, HQ props, and no doubt the speed controller. Although it's Zod branded sticker on here, I wouldn't be surprised if it's something like a Hobby Wing or another very reliable brand. Sticker pack, some mounting accessories, a carbon bar that bridges the wings. All of this is quick build and quick release, even to the boom. Yeah, stunning. Fuselage, so 1406 2600 kV. Strong magnets, carbon inlaid down the fuselage, both sides. Starts there, finishes about here as well. One oddity is my wingtips are up and down swept on opposite sides. So yeah, that's a bit weird, isn't it? Maybe I'll just laminate them flat. I don't know. Carbon boom, looks like nice carbon, it's quite thick. Reinforcements, this is glass fibre. There's glass fibre where the spar goes and where the back of the wing notches into. Same with the control horn, which is mounted through 2 carbon spars. Lovely. There's a little bit of moulding flash that needs to be taken care of in the surface there. These ones seem alright. Okay, this one needs a little bit of work as well. Very minor. These seem well exercised anyway. So the only other thing is got some glossy stuff. 2 sheets for all the models you can get. Goodbye. And a very, very simple 7-step building guide. While I'm building this, I've got the Zod Copilot light to go in it. I do have the FPV camera, but that hasn't arrived, typically. So I'm going to see about cracking on and doing this. Okay, another day. As you see, the fuselage build and all the electronics going in it took all of 10 minutes. Brilliant. I've got my receiver in the bottom access panel here. Just cat whiskered out, no problem, with the Zod Copilot Lite control panel there. I've got it here to bring the centre of gravity as far back to counteract the big battery that I've got in it. As you see under here, it's quite a rat's nest with all the header pins for the servos sticking up. But I've just cut out a recess in this foam for it to sit down onto because it wouldn't close properly. But that's a minor thing to take care of, no problem. I did hit a couple of hiccups putting it together after what you saw. One, the wingtips that I previously mentioned, and 2, as you'll see in this picture I'll overlay, the boom was 10 to 15 degrees off, and there's only one way it can sit with this collar under here registering on the one that's inset on the plane. The vendors made good and are sending me out a new boom. All spares are available anyway, so that's good. I just hacked this and hot glued it for the time being to get in the air. The instruction manual that comes in the box is very, very sparse. It's a quick start guide just to get this together. So you'll need to go to Zod's website, get the instruction manual for this, the Zod Copilot Lite, and the ESC configuration. The ESC configuration can be done when you power it up in manual mode. It just acts as a pass-through. So set the throttle calibration and the brake and stuff as you see fit. What's more to say? I love this model. It's really good. It's a little bit hard to get to the CG marks, but it states, but a little bit forward and it's all right. So this footage you're probably looking at now, I launched it straight out of the box as it was set up with excessive throws in manual mode. It was a bit sketchy, but dolphin and porpoising and stuff, that's fine. It was a rather windy day. Got it trimmed in, switched it over to this angle mode, and it flew like a peach. Really, really nice. Tested return to home, circled over, handled the wind, although it sort of high alphaed a bit. I think I need to set it on level rather than slightly inclined, just to solve that. Be able to chuck this in the air without a finger on the control and have it circle your head for an hour. A dream. I'm going to forgive Zod for that. You know, things happen. So I was able to put it together, break it down within, what, a minute or two. The GPS lock is super quick when you're out in the open rather than in a house. Can't complain. A perfect little cruiser. Great fun. And next time out I might take a drone as well, put this in the air on its own, chase it with a DJI drone. Yeah, if you're thinking about getting one, do. Really, really good plane. Nonetheless, thanks for watching. Always happy to answer your questions. Take care. Catch you later.
Here, Pele. Hey.